Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Thailand. The link and coupon will be in the description, alright? And let's go. Step 1. Open description video and click on link Wi-Fi eSim and open website wifi.com and click on this and write country. Alright, and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data and choose speed plane, light, plus or premium and choose data days, select 30 days and click on buy it now. Alright, and click on this and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Alright, this is good. And click on Google Pay and buy eSim or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on buy now and buy eSim, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.